Friends, welcome back to my channel. Here I come with another video, and this is not a makeup haul, or this is not a fashion related or any shopping haul. This is something related to the coming year, which we are going to start. As everyone knows, in another 1 month we are going to hit the new year, that is 2022. So here I come with a few of the journals that I have selected. Like I just selected two because it doesn't make sense to have too many journals. So the first journal I got is from Amazon. So here you can see it says find your balance, and this is a pretty straightforward journal. It doesn't have like too many sections, too many categories. If someone is like new to journals and they are looking just to start up with journals, then they can definitely try this out. If we see, this is a hardcover journal, and it has around 200 pages here, and it's this is the thickness of this one. And this journal you can find in two colors. One is this color, which is like light shade of pastel pink, and the other one is I think it's light pastel blue, if I'm not wrong. Let's see inside, like how many sections do we have. So here if we see, we get a sticker sheet. It's just one sticker sheet along with this, which you can use while filling your journal. Okay, and the other one is a bookmark, which is pretty simple and plain. And here if we see, like it doesn't have too many fancy things. It's just a very pretty plain journal. As I said, like someone who is going to start with this is good for them. Yeah, it says goals for the year. Maybe here we can list down all the goals that we are planning for this particular year. And here it has few more sections which talks about books to read, skills to acquire, places to visit, and then wish list. Like you can just list down what all things you want to do in the coming year. And the next page shows all these sections. This is more like just a brief about what you want to do. This is not in detail which helps you to capture, but this is a very simple ones to start with. And if I see another couple of things here also, if you see for the month, it says like what all to do, you can list down here. And there is another interesting page, which is habit tracker. As you can see, in this habit tracker they have just given two ideas of tracking water intake and then workout. So here they have left the other things blank, which is good, which is a good thing, so that you can track whatever you want, like your expenses or any health checkups or anything that you want to track on a monthly basis. Okay, and the next one is the monthly budget page. Okay, if we see here, it says like what all expenses categories that we can capture. It talks about house expenses, personal family expenses, everything, which is like pretty good. I think this is again on a monthly basis. This chart should be repeating on a month. Okay, so as we can see, all other pages are similar like what we have seen in the first page. Okay, and let me flip through another month wherein I can see if there is any difference. Okay, there is something else also which is interesting, which is a mood tracker, wherein you can just track how you are feeling for the day, which is like okay. So this I would recommend for beginners who are just starting with the journaling and who are not an experts or who are not much into journaling. So even I took this one for myself, as I'm a beginner and I never used as such a planner or journal, and I just wanted to start using this. So this is the first journal that I have got. And one important thing is this is not dated, so you can use it at any you can use at any part of your year or anything. It doesn't have any dates or anything captured on any page. Yeah. So let's move on to the next one. So next one I'm little excited because I have not opened the package yet. So this is the one interesting which I have got. Okay, and again falls into the same journal category which I have got for the coming year. So let's unbox and see like what is there inside this package. Okay, let's open this package now. As I don't have anything to open, I'm just trying to open with my hand. And I have been waiting for this parcel for so long, and I didn't open this. This already I think I received almost 3-4 days back, which I didn't open. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. Maybe most of them already know like what is this and where I purchased this from. Okay, let me show the other one. Okay, so the next one is again this. Just look at the packaging, it's so well packed. This is that bubble wrap, which is like completely safe. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay, let me open it this way. Yes, finally this is out. Okay, so let me just open one by one. The packaging is really good. Okay, so let me show you what all I got in the first package. Okay, so as we can see, this is again one of the journals which I have been wanting to buy from like almost 2-3 years, but I've never got one from this seller. So basically this is from Simba Lifestyle. So many of you might already heard about them. This is a very pretty looking journal. This is again from one of the YouTuber called Mridul Sharma, and she owns this Simba Lifestyle website from where I have purchased this one. So let's see what are the things that I got even before going into the details of the journal. Okay, so the first things we got along with this journal are these two sticky notes kind of thing, which is like which comes handy if you want to just remind yourself of some short notes or just any task that you want to remind yourself. So you can just write down something and stick it on your planning board. And the next one is this pretty cute pocket book. This is again just a plain book which comes handy for quick notes. Okay, so even this packaging is like basically the cover of this is like pretty good. It's not like flimsy. Okay, and the next one is this cute thank you card. Okay, here are the website details. Maybe I can link the same in description box. So if someone is interested, they can go ahead and check this out. Okay, and along with this, I think we must have got So if I open this journal, I can find a few more things. Okay, which are these pretty stickers. There are around 6 sheets of stickers. If you can see, this says to do important notes, and gratitude to buy. Basically, you can stick it in your journal like whenever you're journaling that particular day. Okay. And the next sheet is about cute stickers, which you can again paste it across your journal while using it. And again the same one. Okay, this says popcorn, magnet, and these all are like again cute stickers. And again, these are like not very cheap material. It is actually very good, and it doesn't spoil so soon, so you can use it the year long. Okay, and I was actually looking for a bookmark. He has a cute pouch here in the beginning. Okay, so maybe our notebook can easily fit in here. Okay, so let's get into the details of the journal. As you can see, it's like pretty big journal. It's not like a small one. The earlier one which we got was little bit on a smaller size when it comes to the packing and the number of pages it has. This has like a more number of pages that I can notice. Okay. And let's open this and see. So first says the 2022 planner. Okay, so let me show you in detail like what all details are there in this particular planner. I'll just give a close-up of this. So if we see, this is how the journal looks like from the close-up. This is a gold wired spring. Okay, and the cover of the book is like the hard case. Okay, and it says live life in full bloom, which is like pretty, and a pretty pink scooter. And here if you see, the corners are having, you know, the golden clips, okay, which makes the book sturdy. And if we see, this is what it says. Okay, and you can just, you know, brief in your details, like who is the owner of this journal. And here, as I said, you know, this is by Simba Lifestyle Team, which is again, you know, managed by Mridul and Aditya's team. A cute note from them. Okay, and here basically the theme of the journal is like flower based. So every month they have identified a flower which represent that month. And as you can see, Jan says carnation, Feb says violet, and daffodil, daisy. So basically they have come up with a new theme of naming each month against a flower. This is basically the vision board, like what you want to actually do in this particular year and what are your visions for that year. Okay, and this shows about 2020 goals, and then goal settings, like what all goal settings you have for this year. They can be basically short term or long term. And this is basically the not to do list, which is like quite interesting, because usually in journals we find a to do list, but basically this is basically like, okay, what is what you're not planning to do in this particular year. So which is like quite interesting. I never tried this, so maybe we can try this out. And another interesting page of this journal is the current me and the future me. So basically here you can, you know, before starting your journal, you can describe like what you feel and what is your current, you know, vision, or like how do you feel currently about yourself. And this future me is basically like, okay, by end of this year, where do I see myself? So it's like pretty interesting topic to, you know, just note down and see, like by end of the year, where do we reach. Okay, and these are some other wish list pages where you can list down like what are the needs and what are the wants. Basically it differentiates like what you actually need to buy and what you actually want to buy. So you can differentiate between them and, you know, plan accordingly. And again, another interesting topic is the period tracker. So I think they have given for the whole month, like basically the whole year, which is quite good. Okay, I think this is a quick glance of, you know, the important task for each year. And the pages to be noted is like very you know, good quality of papers. It's not like flimsy or cheap. It's like good quality. Yeah. And now if we see, so for January it says you always gain by giving love. So this is basically a kind of postcard, I would say. And yeah, okay, so this is something like, okay, this is a postcard which you can basically tear it off from the diary and write on your note and just give this to someone, you know, who has, you know, done something on that month, and you feel like gifting them or thanking them via note. So you can just, you know, describe your content in this and just give it to them as a greeting card. This is again the monthly goals, and these are the daily goals that you want to list down. It's like a quick run through of the daily tasks that you want to list down. And okay, let me flip this. Okay, this is again the expense tracker, monthly budget, habit tracker. Okay, basically these are all the habits. This is similar to what we have seen in the previous journal, when you can just list down what all things or what all habits that you want to track. Either that can be working out, drinking water, or doing something else, or any other habit that you want to track. Okay, this is again to buy list. This can be like what all things you want to buy in that particular month, which is good. Okay, and the next one is basically the interesting part. This is the brain dump. Okay, this is basically kind of, you know, rough journaling, whatever you want to, you know, just put it down in a paper, which you cannot share it with everyone. So you can just dump your thoughts in here. Okay, so I think that's it for each month. And if you see, like this repeats, basically the pages repeat for the for every month, but only change that we can see is the color coding, which changes according to the month. Yeah, here if we see, this is, I think, March. Yeah, It's basically color coded, and here you can see like it ends, each month basically ends with a different color, which is pretty good. Okay, I just need to see like what is in the end. Okay, so here we come to the end of the December maybe. Okay, here is like a photo dump page wherein maybe you can just put a small collage of what all important events or activities that happened during this year, and then a throwback of 2022. Okay, when you complete your year, and then 2022 favorites, 2022 reviews, travel planner, basically in case if you're traveling anywhere then you can list on your travel plan here, and then the packing list here. Okay, basically again I think this is a month-wise planner if I'm not wrong, because it's again color coded. Okay, so the next part is worry jar. Basically it's like you write down all your worries and then see where you stand in that. Okay, I think with that we have just come to an end of the planner. And the planner or the journal is basically this journal is basically very good, and I have been waiting for a very good journal, and yeah, I'm excited to try this out in the coming year, and I'll see if I can make full utilization. Okay, coming to the last part of the packaging that I have received. This one is little different from the regular journal. This is the record of my 5-year journey. Again, this is also from Simba Lifestyle. Okay, so let's get into the details of this 5-year journal. So as soon as we open, we can see here it just says the journal belongs to. You can just write your basic details here, like whom this journal belongs to. You can just a few tips on how to use this. Okay, and I think this journal is like pretty straightforward. If we see, the complete pattern is similar. It just says, okay, this particular day, which year, what is the important thing or what is the important activity that you have done. So it's like, okay, you can just summarize that particular day in that year in just 1 or 2 liners, which is like pretty good thing. You don't have to basically write down everything here. It just summarizes your that particular day in a single page. Okay, if we see, like you can track your whole 5-year journey of that particular day. Okay, which is like great if you don't want dump everything in a particular journal. So you can just give highlights of that particular year. I think that's it about this journal. It's not something fancy or anything, but it's just like keeping track of your 5-year journey travel. Just good to look back at this journal and like see like where you were 5 years before. And suppose if you're entering any particular detail on that particular day, you can just see like go through like what all you have done on this particular day in the last 4 years. Okay, so this is again a bookmark which is used for tracking where you're making the entry. So again the cover of this book is like very sturdy. It's very like hard case. Okay, so with this one we come to the end of this video. So if you see, we have purchased couple of journals and then again a 5-year journal tracking. So if you like any of this, you can go ahead and purchase from Simba Lifestyle. I'll be giving the details in the description box. So you just go ahead and you can place your order. Okay, so with this we come to an end of this video. I hope you like this video and it is helpful for you in picking up one of the best journals. But I would definitely prefer you to go and check out Simba Lifestyle, because they are coming up with very good planners every year. They have been doing it from, I guess, past 3-4 years if I'm not wrong. I have been like wanting to pick one of them, but I thought like this is the right time to buy. And these 2 journals were basically in a pretty good deal. That's the reason why I got the combo of this. I'll give the details in the description box. Please go ahead and check the details, and if you like anything, please go ahead and purchase. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll try to come up with some important and useful videos Like if you like this video, kindly like this, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.